This is our new tie rod from the right side on the Nissan Sentra. So in order to remove it and replace, because this one is knocking, it has a bad joint, you will have to remove a tire, you will get access to this nut, you will have to remove a nut. After you remove the nut, you will need to heat up a little bit this nut, loosen it as well, and after you use one key, like a wrench key, as you can see here, it's like you can hold it, it's like a hex, so you hold it with the key, and here you can hold it as well and just loosen the tie rod. So this is what we're gonna do now. I just loosen it, so now I can unscrew it all the way. As you can see, it's rusted. You can use some WD-40, or you can use a torch gun and heat it up, so it's gonna come out easier. And I just use the hammer to heat it from here and just pop right out. Or there is a special tool, if you want, you can use that one. You tighten the tool and it's pushing out the joint. Also, if you cannot loosen the nut, you can use a wrench key, and there is a star bit that you can use to hold the joint. Before installing the new one, make sure they have the same size. So you can just put them together to make sure they're the same, because if not, one is going to be longer or shorter, you will need to tighten it more or less, so you will not need an alignment. But if it's going to be too much longer or shorter, you will need an alignment for sure. So in this case they look kind of the same. Just look at this, look how freely it's playing, and if you hold it in place and pull it up and push it down, you hear that noise like knock knock knock. So now we're gonna install this one. We're gonna tighten it almost all the way. After we're gonna tighten the nut to hold it in place, but the nut we're gonna hold after we're gonna tighten it to the spindle, to make sure it's in the right position. Yeah, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it back in place now. So now we're gonna tighten this nut from here. Now our tie rod is back, and this is how it looks. Here I always put a mark. Sometime I'm looking to make sure it's all in the same place, nothing coming loose. Now we're gonna put the tire.